We got an awesome Honda day planned for you folks today. I got Royce. He's going to tell me what we're doing here today. Royce, what's up?
We're going all over the island. So we're starting off here at White Peel Foodland. We're going to go all the way up to the North Shore, check out some garlic shrimp, head down to Winter Mall, and then finally Hoi Kai Boat Harbor. So fun day cruise. Everybody's welcome. You know, I'm a car enthusiast. We all have car enthusiasts here on island. So come out, check us out. That's it.
I couldn't help but notice such an awesome looking color. Nick, what we got here?
We've got a limited edition Civic Type R 2021. Some of the key differences here are it's got a black hood scoop, it has a black roof, and black painted mirrors, and we have specific rims on it. They're BBS forged aluminum rims, and it's a lighter by about 50 pounds than a stock Type R.
So is this like a competition package, or what makes it that much special or limited?
It's the weight reduction, and it's specially tuned electronic dampening for autocrossing.
So Type R is all about weight savings, racing, lighter vehicles. This vehicle right here not only has the exclusive red emblem for Honda Motorsports, and that is exclusive only to the Type Rs, and you know that this thing means business. Furthermore, no rear windshield wiper, and as we open it up, no grocery protector across the back. Now all of these factors, although minute, there's a big difference, and it creates a lighter vehicle, faster car. Concluding my discussion with Nick, we're looking at all the different cars. Of course, you have Skittles, different colors, but he was sharing with me a little bit more extra things about these vehicles. It's pretty cool. So we're discussing about these curtain vents. So they're functional. You saying that air gets pulled in there and gets sucked out there?
Goes over through the fender here, and then out through the functional fender exits. And through the hood scoop, this is functional too. So it draws engine heat out and then through the sides, and it gets ducted along through here and out the sides too. So it's all functional.
Wow, so everything is meant to keep this thing planted to the road.
Yes, the aerodynamics are very functional at speed.
And how's that big wing on the back, or big wang?
Big wang, that's very functional too. It looks gaudy, but it works to keep it planted with the right amount of downforce.
Oh man, I love it. Thanks again, Nick. Appreciate it.